guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this V-part wig from Beautyforeverhair. I was super excited when they reached out to me. You guys know I've worked with them in the past and they have really nice quality wigs, and you guys know the V-part wigs are like very new and on trend because you can do no leave out or you can do a very minimal leave out. So let's get into this. This is actually their 20-inch body wave wig, and if you guys know me, I love some body wave textured hair. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this install. So this is the hair, fresh out the box, gorgeous body wave. And so with the V-part wigs, the construction is a little bit different. So it has like a it gives the appearance that it's like coming out of your scalp almost. So this is what the construction looks like up close, almost like as if hair is growing out of the scalp, that type of look. And then it just has these clips to be secure. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. Okay, so with my actual hair, I'm just gonna take it and put it into a low bun and do a middle part. So that's usually what I've seen a lot of people do in their tutorials. They just do a middle part so that it can look very natural. But I believe you can part this hair any way that you want to, but I'm just gonna go ahead with a middle part. And this video I am going to be doing no leave out. Because a lot of people want to know like how you can wear these V-part wigs without having to, you know, straighten any of your hair, leave out any of your hair. So yeah, get one more scrunchie so I can bun up the rest of my hair. And y'all see my hair out here getting long. I've been using my Lavish Curls beauty products from my hair care brand. So if you haven't already checked that out, it will be linked in the description box below. Lavish Curls only on my hair. And then this hair does come with a wig cap. I'm not gonna put the wig cap on. I usually don't see people use it in the videos. It also comes with some hair clips, which is super helpful, and a pair of lashes, and it looks like a scarf is in here too. So you guys know they always include some goodies. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. So I'm just middle part, low bun, and I'm gonna undo the clips. And then there are combs on the side to help you attach it. There's actually a comb back there in the middle too.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Literally clipping it onto my hair around the middle part. So this is what it's looking like. I want to actually, okay, so let me just give you guys the hair fresh out the box. So this is what it's looking like fresh out. The hair looks gorgeous, of course. The hair feels good. It feels super soft, you know, it feels amazing. So let's adjust this a little bit. I think I want to push it back a little bit more. And you can tell that you could do like very minimal leave out because of how close you can get this hair to your scalp, unlike a traditional U-part wig where it's like, okay, you know, like this would be the leave out, but a U-part would be so much wider and harder. I'm just right now trying to adjust it to my liking. Okay. Because what I'm trying to do is get it as close as possible. And I think this might be as close as I can get it. And then I also just want to lay my edges before I make it look more natural. So I'm just taking my Style Factor gel.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
This actually makes a really good protective style. I love how innovative these wigs are becoming. Because, you know, a lot of us, we got tired of the lace and trying to blend and hide the lace. It was getting a little frustrating. And so this method of a wig is more natural looking, you know. Actually, kind of, yeah, I like when my hair is kind of like back, like tucked behind my ear. Okay, so far I like how it looks. This is what we're looking like. And my hair is pretty flat. Now what I see people do so it can look a bit more natural, they like tussle at the roots or something a little bit, but I don't want it to look super messy either, so yeah, that was a no. So yeah, this is the no leave out look, and it's cool, but I personally am the type of person that would prefer leave out, but this is what it looks like without it. I think it's more noticeable, like if somebody comes up closer to you, they might see like some wefts or something, but I think it's better if you do leave out a little bit of leave out, because from the front it looks fine, but I feel like if somebody's up super close to you, then it might be a little bit noticeable that something's going on. So, but other than that, the hair is super gorgeous. I like that I don't have to really leave out anything in the front, so really nice. All right, so I want you guys to comment down below, what's your thoughts on this wig without any leave out? Like, what's your thoughts? Because I pretty much can't get it any closer, like clipped any closer to my head. So, I don't know. And if I like tousle at it, it's gonna make it not look, you know, laid down. So, this is just what it looks like if you just install it. So, that's what it's looking like. But I am going to show you guys what it would look like with just a little bit of leave out. Since my hair is straight, I might as well go ahead and show you guys that, but this is what it looks like, no leave out. So comment down what you think. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the hair and leave out a little bit to show you guys. But like I said, if you want to wear it like this, then it's super easy to install, because all you had to do is put your hair down into a low bun, and then, you know, so okay, I need to remember, it's like, okay, it's literally like the slightest bit of bleed out, so, and it was going in a V shape. Okay, I need to wash my hair so bad too, so if you guys see flakes, ignore it.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, do you want?
Y'all think that looks good? That's a V. I might have needed to use less leave out than this too, but that's the way I'm really excited to wear this hair, is kind of with leave out, because y'all know that's my thing, especially when I wear like U-part wigs. But I like this because it's less leave out than AU part. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you.
It could definitely be less hair than this out, but my method always for this, yeah, this looks way more natural than a U part because of how they did the scalp part up here to look like it's coming out of your scalp. Makes it easier to blend than a U part wig. So I'm just tucking my hair behind and bobby pinning it. That's always how I do it when I don't want to add a bunch of extra heat to my hair. Once again, sorry for the flakes, you guys. I have scalp psoriasis. You guys, I definitely think I love this better than a U part wig. It, like the way it lays and stuff, I don't know, it's something about the construction of this hair that's different from a U part wig, definitely, where it's just blending more natural. This is bomb. This is the look I like. This is so bomb. But like I said, you guys can do it either way. If you want no type of leave out and you just want to clip the hair on and go, you can do that. Or if you want just the smallest amount of leave out, I could have did less leave out than this because it can get so close because it's a V shape. So very minimal leave out. Just pull your hair out. And like I said, I always like to tuck it behind so I don't have to do any type of blending, and you have a super bomb install. So this is what it's looking like. It looks so good. So if you have not already checked out Beautyforeverhair, I highly recommend that you do because their hair is the bomb. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.